Hi, it's Evie with another acrylic pour. So let's get started. So let's start by coating the canvas with some Floetrol. Okay, we've covered the canvas with some Floetrol. Now that we've covered the canvas with Floetrol, we can go ahead and start fill our cups. So I want to do 2 cups actually. So let's put some paint, some teal paint in the 2 cups. Next, after that, we'll put in a little bit of brown. Okay. Then we'll put in some of this darker orange. Actually, it's more of a medium orange than a dark orange. Okay. And then, here, let's put in this red. Okay. Next, we have a few other shades of orange. We have this, I think this is the lightest orange. Next, let's add some more brown. I'm running low on brown. It's actually burnt sienna. And let's put in some more of the teal. Let's finish up the brown. Okay, that's it for brown. No more brown tonight. And then let's finish up this orange, this really light orange. Okay, what other colors do I have? I still have some red. I have a lot of red. Just put a little bit. I've got this dark orange. There's a lot of orange in this. I'm going to put some teal in there. The last of my teal. Okay, so I do have some more oranges left, but I'm not gonna use them unless. Okay, so I'm gonna use, since I have 2 cups, I'm gonna do a double flip cup. I'm gonna use another canvas to help me out. Okay, so ready, set, flip. Ooh, I didn't make a mess. I didn't make a mess. Woohoo! Alright, let's line things up so you can see everything. Okay. Put these in these 2 corners. Okay, let's do it. 1, 2, 3, go. Ooh. Ooh, ooh, ooh. So close to the edge. Okay, 1, 2, 3, go. Oh, that was close to the edge too. Oh, so close to the edge. So we'll go up and down first. I'm loving these colors together. So close to the edge. Next time I'll make them closer to the center. Let's go up. Let's go this way. Oh, I don't want to lose a lot of my I don't want to lose that orange that's up here. Let's come back down. Yeah, I did too much tilting. It looked so good earlier. Did too much tilting. Okay, let's get my hands clean. Yes, I'm not getting too much orange. Not getting too much orange. Let's cover up the canvas. Parts of the canvas that aren't covered. I'll just put some orange in here. Okay, let's get a little closer. Take a look what we have. I should have stopped tilting earlier. So we got some light orange up there. Okay, let's focus in a little better. Some dark orange, some red. But we'll see how it dries. It's not too muddy. Okay, thanks for watching.